What you afraid of, man? Huh? There are a lot of planes? Come on. Don't worry about the planes, okay? They are just flying in the sky. They won't come to you. What you doing, Mittu? Come here. That, where are you, man? Here you go. Wow. Sunny day today. Nice. Isn't it, Mittu? There are a lot of aeroplanes. You can see. I don't know if you can see. Oh, up here. Do you like the plane noise? Yeah? Me too. You don't want to fly away. No, I know you don't want to. We are in open backyard right now, and he's still on my shoulder. You don't want to fly away. No, not at all. Isn't it, Mittu? You like to be with me, yeah? Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a long time since I uploaded my birds video, so I thought today it's a nice day, and from busy life I got a little bit of time. So that's my another bird which is naughty. Let me flip the camera. That bird is very naughty. I can't leave him outside of, so I just kept him in the cage while the curtains are open. But Mittu I trust most, and he can't fly away. He just want to stay with me. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.